The legendary dragon box contains a priceless imperial treasure.
The only two people who knew how to open the box are its sadistic constructor and the Japanese emperor who hid something within it.
Both of them are long dead, and so is everyone who has attempted to get past the box's booby traps, poisons, and mind-bending twists.
Still, every 12 years, in the Year of the Dragon, the imperial family holds a clandestine contest for brave souls who dare to attempt the box.
Mike Brink, possibly the only living puzzle master capable of solving the riddle, has 24 hours to open the dragon box or die trying.